Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities podcast. This is 𝗀𝗍𝗀𝗀𝗀 from Sharekhan 𝗵𝗵𝗶𝗶. Today we have an update on crude oil. MCX crude has been trading with an ascending triangle formation. On the daily chart, prices have sustained the resistance of the previous swing highs around the level of 6,550. Prices have formed a shooting star formation, implying an intermediate bearish move. The momentum indicator RSI has reverted from the overbought zone, implying sideways to bearish move. The support for the crude oil should be around the level of 6,350 and 6,300, followed by the level of 6,250, that is the 20 exponential moving average. While a move above the mentioned resistance should negate the bearish bias, until then, prices should be trading with a sell-on-rise strategy. Hence, we expect crude to trade with a negative bias for the day ahead. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.